Hi Measuring Hero, I'm Anna. Today we are at the HANNOVER MESSE, one of the most important industrial exhibitions worldwide. This year's motto goes around AI, digital platforms, machine learning and automation. Zeiss is here showing not only the industrial quality solutions portfolio, but also in other fields, such as semiconductor manufacturing, research and beyond. Let's take a look how are we empowering our customers using our innovations to make them more efficient and powerful. Let's go. We are now at the Zeiss booth. Let's take a look on the focus topics for today's exhibition. Did you know that 95% of all commercial passengers vehicles are produced by companies that rely on Zeiss technology? They manage that using automation. And for automation you need intelligence, and Zeiss enables it. We see that our customers have enormous pressure to produce in higher quality, deliver faster results while dealing with labor shortage. Here at Zeiss, we have different solutions from automation. From the handling of sample material for the microscopy solutions until inline automation. Let's take a look what we prepared today. So we have behind us a scan box and a Duramax. What is the story that we are telling here for our customers?
So Anna, the story is basically the combination of our portfolio from optical systems and tactile systems in an automated line, or let's say at-line system. So we are trying to showcase that we have standardized interface solutions for all our portfolio here, like optical and tactile systems in a combination with a cobot loading system. This can be also by a gantry loader or a robot in line. But as easy as that, we have standard interfaces in our portfolio with standard input and outputs. Customers can either purchase or request solutions from us, in-house from Zeiss, or they just take the system with a standard interface and connect their robots and cobots with their inline integrators or by themselves.
Okay, so they are able to connect different stages of measurement in one single process.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome, Anna. Yeah.
Did you know that 99% of the aerospace engines are produced by companies relying on Zeiss technologies? This is only possible because we have innovation at our core. For innovation, you need speed. And here at Zeiss, we make it possible. What we have here are solutions that makes a revolution in the cancer research, but also enable safer aviation. Let's take a look what we have here today. Stefan, hi. So we are talking about innovation, one of our core principles at Zeiss. What is the story that you have for us today?
Yeah, so here we have our lattice light sheet microscope. This is a light microscope that we use in biological sciences, biomedical research. And the nice thing here is that we can watch our biological specimens in 3D very quickly. Okay. And we can watch them over long periods of time. And this allows us to decipher different biological processes, which are all dynamic, because all our cells are always in motion, actually. And here's an example what we see, basis of life. So we see a cell division, actually, with two different markers. We see the DNA in magenta and then tubulin fibers in green. And the nice thing here, what we see, we have a very nice time resolution, which would be with a different microscope, in that case, not possible.
Oh, wow. Okay, so that's very interesting. What are the applications that you have?
Other applications are biomedical research, maybe. So here we have an example with cancer cells that you see in green. And in orange, magenta, you see immune cells. For example, here's an immune cell that is attached to a cancer cell, and it will, during the video, it will kill the cancer cell. So now you see how the cancer cell is getting crazy. And now another dye is entering the cell because the cell is dead now. And this is shown by this yellow color, actually, it's showing up.
And this we can see live using a microscope now.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Did you know that 95% of AI services are produced by companies relying on Zeiss technologies? For AI, you need agility. And at Zeiss, we empower AI. We are one of the key players when it comes to the digital revolution. Zeiss has the EUV lithography as one of the most important technologies for producing the smallest structures ever made. We are behind the production of the chips that are running AI data centers. We are also improving the reliability and durability of logic chips. So let's take a closer look on what we have prepared today. So we are here at the part of digitalization and AI. What are you showing here today?
So I guess the most interesting part is that almost all advanced microchip CPUs in smartphones are produced with Zeiss products. We have it here. It's a big machine coming from ASML. We actually provide the mirrors. So sending the light from a source, from a light source, sending it to a mask. This mask has the print plan for the CPU on it, and then this light with further mirrors and optics from us is then projected on one of those wafers. Here, multiple integrated circuits, multiple CPUs are printed on this wafer. This is done various times, so 30 to 40 layers. At the end, you can already see these little microchips are cut up, diced, and then you actually have them here where you can package it in one of those smartphones, enabling the digitalization, enabling the AI century for everybody in their pocket, right? And all with optics products from SMT.
Thank you very much. As a truly global company, sometimes it's a challenge to offer specialized service worldwide. But that's why Zeiss come up with very creative solutions. Let's take a look on that. We are talking about AI, but AI only works if we have trusted data, and Zeiss creates it. It is very important to have reliable data for making informed decisions. And this data can come from all sorts of sources. It can come from digitalization of process, or using AI services, or even automation from the shop floor. It is very important that our customers are enabled to handle a large amount of data, but also able to interpret this information and take actions accordingly. Let's take a look what Zeiss has to offer. So, hi Christian. So we are talking a lot about AI and digitalization, and you have a brand new product coming up. So what is the story behind?
So we're launching Zeiss Quality AI in the near future. It's a product that supports our customers with reliable measurements and a high ease of use. So everyone gets AI into his hands with an end-to-end workflow in Zeiss Inspect, so everyone can use it and get the benefits out of it.
Okay, is there a focus group of customers for this product?
So we're starting with CT applications, facilitate AI on the CT world, and then move on to all other type of sensors that Zeiss is in the portfolio. With the battery inspection in Radia is going to follow up, but then also VMM and optical sensors are going to follow.
And what is the AI doing in this new product?
So there's a lot of workflows where you get a lot of data from outside sensors, It's difficult to evaluate them, to do the inspection sometimes. You have challenging image data, and the AI actually helps you to get super reliable results and accurate measurements.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So Dominic, Robert, thank you very much that you are here. So we are talking about automation, one of the core principles at Zeiss. And here we have the InRadia. What are you guys able to talk to me about that?
Yeah, that's our latest system. It's designed to inspect parts and measure parts in a very high speed. Here in this showcase, you can see the measurement of batteries, where one scan can be done like in 2 seconds, which is super fast. We do evaluation of overhang here, so we check the battery quality. And as this system is purely designed for real inline use case, we need automation, and therefore we have robot.
So as Dominic mentioned, we are 100% inline, Anna. So that means we need to make sure that we fully integrate into the customer process. So we have to bring the parts to the machine. We have to handle the parts through the machine. We have real-time good or okay, non-okay results. So that means we need to also then sort out the parts. So the good batteries go back into flow and the bad parts are taken out. And this is really a true 100% inline solution we are providing here.
And everything connected in a Zeiss platform, correct?
And everything connected in one Zeiss platform.
Thank you very much. Are you still there? It was a lot to cover for today. But nevertheless, it was just a small snapshot of everything Zeiss has to offer. Our journey towards innovation, AI, digitalization has just started. Stay tuned, we are coming back.